everyone.
Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams. 15 Power 500. K141. Which is the oldest joint stock bank of India? Ans Allahabad Bank, the 24th of April 1865. K142. Which is the bank established by the freedom fighter drive? Bhogaraju Pattabhi Sitaramaya. Ans Andhra Bank, the 28th of November 1920. K143. Which is the first bank in India to open a branch abroad? K144. Ans Bank of India, London, 1946. K144. First bank whose branch has got ISO 9002 certificate. Ans Canara Bank, the 1st of July 1906. K145. To commemorate the completion of 100 years of which bank in 2011, the Department of Posts has issued a commemorative postage stamp. Ans Central Bank of India, the 21st of December 1911. K146. Which is the bank formed on the efforts of Lala Lajpat Rai? Ans Punjab National Bank and New Bank of India. Ans Punjab National Bank, the 19th of May 1894. K147. 147. The only example of merger of two nationalized banks is Ans Punjab National Bank and New Bank of India. K148. Which bank was inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1990? Ans Union Bank of India, the 11th of November 1990. K149. Which is the largest bank among the nationwide banks? Ans Punjab National Bank, the 19th of May 1894. 150. What is the full extension name of ATM? Ans Automatic Teller Machine ATM. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.